Have you ever found yourself in a bustling room, surrounded by voices speaking a language that still feels unfamiliar and felt completely invisible, as if your very presence was somehow fleeting, dependent on someone else's validation to hold significance? If this resonates with you, know that your feelings are valid, and more importantly, you are not alone in your solitude. Every individual who has ventured across borders in search of hope has navigated this same uncertain journey. Your bravery to remain, to fight, and to seek belonging in a new place is not a sign of weakness. It is one of the greatest acts of strength a person can demonstrate. Home is not merely where you were born. It is a place you actively choose to create, one day at a time, even when the ground feels shaky beneath you. The loneliness you experience is not a punishment. It is a space. Although painful, this space offers you something invaluable, the chance to truly understand yourself. In those quiet moments when homesickness envelops your heart like a heavy weight, you are not just enduring. You are uncovering who you are when stripped of all that is familiar. This solitude, though unwelcome, becomes your guide, revealing strengths you never knew you had and dreams you never dared to express. When fear whispers that you don't belong or that you might have to leave, remember that your worth is not defined by documents or policies. Your value exists independently of any government's acknowledgement. You are a whole person, carrying stories, talents, love, and aspirations that no border can diminish. You may feel like a solitary tree in an unfamiliar land, standing firm against the storm. But remember, even the tallest trees grow stronger with deep roots, and their branches reach toward the sky, unbroken. You are not alone in your struggle. Your courage is your strength, and your story is your legacy. Use this time of uncertainty to care for yourself with the same kindness you would offer a close friend. Learn that new language not out of necessity, but because you wish to broaden your horizons. Explore your new environment, not just to survive, but to uncover unexpected beauty. Connect with your own heart through journaling, meditation, or simply recognizing your remarkable bravery each morning when you choose to face another day. The fear of deportation is real, and acknowledging it doesn't signify weakness, it highlights your humanity. Yet within that fear lies evidence of your extraordinary courage. You left everything familiar because you believed in something better. That belief, that hope, and the willingness to risk everything for a chance at a different life. These qualities reside within you, no matter what the future holds. Your loneliness is temporary, but the strength you are cultivating within it is lasting. Every day you choose to stay, to strive, and to hope despite uncertainty, you are crafting a narrative of resilience that will inspire others long after this chapter concludes. Even in the face of deportation fears, you are not alone. You carry dreams, resilience, and the quiet strength to rise again. You are not merely existing in a foreign land. You are thriving in an environment that once seemed inhospitable. Your presence is significant. Your story is important. Your aspirations are valuable. Today, I encourage you to take a small step towards self-care. Reach out to someone who makes you feel acknowledged. Write down 3 things you appreciate about your journey. Share your story with someone who needs to hear it. Remember, you are not defined by borders, paperwork, or the fears of others. You are defined by your bravery, your love, and your indomitable spirit. Your journey is important, and so is your voice. If this message resonated with you, please share it with someone who could use a bit of hope today. Like and subscribe to join our community of courage. Together, we remind one another, you are seen, you are valued, and you belong. Thank you for watching.